Talk and Learn presents
Italian sounds with food. The first sound is the combination of G and L. It sounds like this, y. A trick to help the pronunciation is to smile wide. It is similar to the double L in French or Spanish in words like fille or famille or paella. Y, aglio, tagliatelle. G combined with N is gn. You can find it in words like lasagna or gnocchi. If you hear someone calling them gnocchi, that's wrong. Gn, lasagna, gnocchi. Next is the k sound, ch, in words like bruschetta. You may have heard people saying bruschetta, but that is not correct. Ch, k, bruschetta. C and G are sounds that change pronunciation based on the vowel that follows. The rule can be more easily memorized if you use some examples. One of them is caffè. The chi sound here is pronounced as k, and every time C is followed by A, O, U, or H, I, H, E, you would pronounce it as k. You would pronounce it as ch instead if it's followed by E or I. Similarly, G is pronounced g if followed by A, O, U, H, I, H, E, and j if followed by A or I. Let's use the word gelato to remember this rule.
Thank you for watching. If you are looking for more videos or handouts, please visit the Learning Resources section on talkandlearn.ca.